Okay, today we will install a second DDC and join it to an existing farm. So it's the normal install process. We accept the license agreement. We do not install the licensing server role. Delivery control student director, that's fine. We do not install SQL because we have an SQL server. Yes, understand. Automatically, next. Install. This will take some time. Until the install finishes, let's take a look at our first DDC. So here under configuration controllers, we can see that we have only the first one. So this one, DDC1, and we will add the second one, which is now installing. Okay, so installation has finished. Click next. We do not want to launch Studio. Okay. Here they will ask us to join an existing farm or not, or create a new one. Okay, for this we are going with this option, connect this delivery controller to an existing site. And now it will ask us the delivery controller name of our site. In our case is ddc01.testlab.com. And now it's asking us if we want to do the yes. It will take a few moments. Okay, so after a few seconds, it completed the task, and now we are connected to the same site. We can check. Now we have two delivery controllers, and we should see the same thing on the first delivery controller. Maybe you have to refresh. Yes, okay. So now we have two. This means that we have high availability. So when one delivery controller will go down, the other one will take its place. So this was it for now. We will continue to configure our site in the next videos. Thank you very much.